What is up, everybody? Welcome again to the Crypto Blitz, your property for your crypto restore. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully, absolutely everyone's having a first-rate day. It's Friday. Hopefully your day is over. Hopefully you're to your manor home from work and you're going to revel in this extraordinary weekend. Too bad it wasn't an extended weekend. That might have been clearly excellent, but the weekend's the weekend, and it is the first weekend within the new 12 months as we are. Becoming ready for this very bullish sector to open up 2025 with fundamental events going down in just the subsequent couple of weeks. In this episode, we were given loads to head over. We're speaking Chainlink. We're speaking Velo. We're speaking XRP price charts. Where are we going from right here as we get this nice little NFL advert doping up? You recognize I could not consider it wasn't a Thursday night football NFL recreation. Well, I bet it's the closing week, so we got Saturday and Sunday video games. I'm here for it. We were given playoffs kicking off. The week after that, the best time for soccer time. So without further ado, sit down, lower back, loosen up. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin, $96,723. It's presently up 0.05% inside the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 3,461. It's currently down 0.27%. XRP coming in at 2,040 cents. USD and USDC, each coming in at 99 cents. Total cryptocurrency marketplace continues creeping on up there, popping out 3.4 trillion greenbacks. I'm going to be announcing this for quite a while, I have a sense, or as a minimum in that couple of weeks, be aware of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pinnacle isn't in Bitcoin is about to interrupt out of this lousy range that has been said it has been stuck in it. This type of terrific element. It's been caught right here as it's been allowing altcoins to move up and to get function before the altcoin. Season the altcoin rally starts off evolved. The better alts go now, the better they're going to be afterward. But Bitcoin appearance 150, 175 absolute locks for May, in all likelihood even getting all of the mana up to 200 to 225,000 greenbacks. Now, Chainlink, it jumped 8% inside the closing 24 hours, regardless of the whale slowdown right here. It states, notwithstanding the strong fee motion whale hobby has stabilized as the wide variety of addresses preserving between 100,000 and 1 million link has remained consistent at 527 after a preceding top of 5, a seeding top of 534. That's a very good sign, proper. Whales are not selling off. They understand in which this is going. Man, I wish I had 100,000 hyperlink. That could be a stunning wallet right now, proper. We had 100,000 Jane hyperlink. No. Let's just do a little. That's 2.2 million. Holy, you know my Chainlink story. When I first were given into the crypto markets, I may want to have bought Chainlink. Instead, I positioned all my cash and all my eggs into XRP in 2017, while Chainlink became about the same fee of XRP. Around 20 to 30 cents. I might have been a multi-freaking millionaire at this factor. I should have just been sitting again and expecting XRP to do its issue and run all the mana as much as that $100 plus mark. But rather, I went and all in XRP. We know how that went. 2017, all of the mana up till Thanksgiving of 2024. We were speaking approximately XRP being 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. It was lousy. But bet what? Our time is coming. We have this Twitter they're launching. And while we are saying launching, it is coming at once. It might be coming any day now. Twitter or X payments will release. What are they going to use? That's the query here. Look at all the states that it's going to be available in, over 39 states. There's 11 states that it's no longer going to be. It's going to be had in Florida, so human beings can start making a living sending payments on Twitter. I would love to see how this is going to paintings and how it's going to perform. Twitter is definitely looking to take over. Twitter's going to start, I don't assume it's begin supplying you with money, however, they is probably starting to permit a tipping on like live streams. This is going to be quite a good deal, totally, I suppose, one of the realest competition we have seen in quite a while to YouTube. Pay interest to this, folks. Binance were listing Velo this year, made this prediction in 2024. Now, what are we seeing in case you look over on Binance and also you search for Velo? It's miles starting to reveal up. Velo drove finance was indexed now not too lengthy in the past. The rate surely skyrocketed. It went loopy. It became like the Coinbase pump, but it was the Binance pump, which apparently nonetheless exists. These pumps out there, and now Velo is showing up, and we recognize that Binance has been gathering or amassing hundreds of thousands of Velo very quietly backstage. It's handiest account of time before Binance lists Velo. I am a tremendous bull on Velo. I pointed out Velo once I become proper around a cent, a little bit decreased than a cent. This issue goes to truly rip. Then we get this from crypto daily trade signals. Anyone who puts the records out like this, you need to immediately block. You need to cast off them. They need to no longer be on your feed. It is toxic. This is complete FUD, parents. Talk approximately how Elon Musk presented Ripple $25 billion to shop for all in their XRP holdings. Come on, guy. No, stop seeking out clicks. What must show up if we live in a really perfect world while people click on? Position out this clickbait nonsense in which they are just spewing and then on foot round and almost like he's taking walks around a prison, that you ought to ban those humans. They must now not be getting engagement and clicks and likes and followers. This is what you call hopium. This is FUD. The math would not even make sense on this. So Vincent Scott's like, this shit must warrant an on-the-spot block. He's spot on. Rumor milling is intolerable. It's hype from nothing. We've got the best tech talk, approximately tech. We don't want this shit. He's right, and it makes everybody else who believes this, who retweets this, who likes this, who even entertains this. It simply makes the community appearance terrible as an entire. And here's your pleasant reminder, due to the fact I see a variety of people posting about this issue. All the XRP tops in, we call the top at 270. It's going back to 50 cents. Wrong, not happening. Look, the top is not in. If you suspect the pinnacle is in, meaning you observe that the crypto bull run resulted in 2024. That manner which you suppose that President Trump stepping in and setting crypto in advance inside the US and bringing all the innovation and era over to the United States, and that the SEC getting flipped upside down and crypto czars being stepping in to provide us coverage and rules. If you watch, none of this is going to have an effective effect on crypto, and that we're going to be in a bull run of an endure cycle during his whole presidency. I would give him something coming for you folks. That's no longer the case. That's not how that is going to play out. That isn't always how this is going to show up here. The top isn't always in. We've simply visible a push up inside the markets. We are approximately to look a first-rate rally in Q1. We've advised you to play ebook for over 6 to 8 months now. Q1 major rally correction tax time. Parabolic blow off top summertime going into fall. You know the play ebook, stick to the script. You have numerous time to nonetheless gather. I do not care if the fees are where in there now. I don't care if the charges dip back off. Accumulation is accumulation because you'll be a step ahead. And also you aren't going to kill yourself. You aren't going to kill yourself. You aren't going to be all careworn out right here trying to time a backside. It's not viable. These markets are too risky to try and time bottoms. There isn't always enough cash in there. All it takes is one whale who may want to hugely have an effect on the fee of something. Here's trying an XRP. You can see right here we simply formed a breakup on the chart. And we need to get above this purple vicinity of hobby, which is $2.42. We had the breakdown which happened. When I changed into slumbering, you may see the massive candle down. We have been capable of keep the green line. We are back up above it. We are coming returned up. We need to get above the purple line at 242, which we're near. We may make a run for it these days. We need to get back above 250, and we want to come back after that $2.70 area. Then we get this Charles Cascarella, CEO of Paxos. He says, we live in an internet age, and you need to have net greenbacks. Look what Twitter is doing. Congress will skip legislation and solid cash like RLUSD so that you can make the dollar more. Simply to be had around the world. Listen up and let's get into some XRP charts. What's your view at the modifications we could also see when it comes to stablecoins, specifically with the brand new administration inside the White House? Well, I think the past management glaringly was a difficult place for crypto. And at the same time, as principal banks are selling bucks these days, and they may be buying gold or they are buying other assets, everyone, all retail people need dollars, and stablecoins assist you to be able to cross-direct to the stop user in a totally effective way. That is ideal for the dollar. That's appropriate for the United States capability, a good way to sell the dollar. That is in the long run just T-bills. Stablecoins are going to play a massive function inside the worldwide monetary gadget transferring forward. Dr. Fem placed out the chart. He is going, look, after our put up, we strolled around $2.11. We broke preliminary resistance at $2.22 and hit $2.40.